Hi, my name is Eric Matsunaga. I teach International Business Strategy. My major is International Business, Innovation, and Digital Transformation. In this video, I'd like to introduce my International Business Strategy class. Okay, the internet spread all over the world, and the business has broken the borders, and the business mainly played on a global scale. Especially Western countries systemize the business and established academic discipline like MBA, which has become the standard of the business, global business. However, it's difficult to predict changes in the world due to infection disease such as COVID-19, that's misery, and the disasters such as typhoon and earthquake. And from a different point of view, the rapid evolution of technology such as AI and drone and the metaverse, it is difficult to predict how this world will be changed in the future. The people started to call this age VUCA. VUCA stands for volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. In other words, now is a time when learning as well as a business must change dramatically. Well, I teach international business management, and in my class, I'm focusing on thinking about how the borderless business necessary for the age of VUCA. In this age, flexible creativity is required. So, does flexibility only come from one genius? No, I don't want to say yes. The answer is simply no. The most important thing is communities and organizations that are connected by empathy and the close borders. And international students from various countries are studying in my class. There, we will discuss management theory with a focusing on Japanese business. The international students learn about the characteristics of Japanese business, compare with business in their home country, and recognize the difference, and then think about how they can collaborate the student from the Aoyama Gakuin universities. Then of course, the Aoyama Gakuin University student participate in the class. So it's collaboration. They recognize difference between the international student and Aoyama Gakuin Japanese student. And they collaborate and explore way to collaborate with each other. This is the way I do in my class. Okay, from the perspective of international collaboration, it is important to learn about organizational theories, corporate structure, and organizational structure of Japanese business. In Japanese organizations, decisions are not made by top-down, like Europe and the United States, but many Japanese companies are managed bottom-up. Well, top-down management is said to be excellent because the top management of the company makes decisions quickly. However, Japanese organizations are said to be bottom-up, but Japan has brought various innovations through bottom-up organizations. Sony Walkman, a musical innovation, is one example. It is said the Walkman was born out of a young engineer's playfulness, and it was a product that did not exist in business strategy. In a bottom-up organization, employees tend to think and act on their own as their opinions are more likely to be reflected in service and products. Opinions from employees can be more easily reflected, so it is possible to flexibly respond to the change of customers' trend. Even in actual business, if you are negotiating with Japan, this is important to negotiate not only with management level, but also with an on-site key person. Like this, we discuss how do we collaborate with such a bottom-up Japan business. We will discuss it in class. Well, MBA like logical thinking, such as analysis, problem extraction, and problem solving, has played a leading role in business. However, in the age of VUCA, this continuous thinking became necessary. And as a result, design thinking appeared, as you know. If you properly analyze business change, you should feel that the way you think should also change. In my class, I think about how to create the future in the flow of the past and the present. It is not enough to just analyze the business today. How we will create an ideal future and consider what strategies companies should take for the future. My background was musician and business consultant. At times, I will also refer how the creative ideas of artists can be used in business. We are waiting for students who want to acquire the creativity to be an original global business player. International business strategy is not lecture. This class is created by you. So I'm waiting for your creative ideas. Let's fun together.